Holmby Park is a cute little park located at 601 Clubview Drive in West LA. It's open from dusk till dawn, and there are lots of things to do here. There is lawn bowling, you can play golf, or just run around. There are hummingbirds in the park, and other types of birds. But our focus today is lawn bowling.
I was walking around the park just taking some exercise, and the people here are very friendly. They saw me, they leaned across the fence, and they said, "Do you want to play?" And I said, sure, I'll take a chance. And that's how I started. The Holmby Park Lawn Bowling Club has been here since 1927. One of the oldest organizations, sporting organizations in the city of Los Angeles.
Wow.
Walt Disney used to play here.
The trick is to hit the little white ball called the jack.
So there are two circles. There's the small one
Yeah?
and the big one. The ball will always turn toward the small one. Okay, that's good.
When one game is done, you round up the balls, not balls, and then you start over.
I've been bowling I believe about 12 years. My husband started bowling here and then he got me involved. Why do I like it? Because it gets me outside, it's exercise, it's a bit of socializing, and what else can you ask?
And who's the best bowler in the team?
Oh,
Is it you?
him.
Him.
He's the best bowler in our club.
Are you the best one?
You're the best bowler in our club.
She says so.
Yeah.
And we go to visit other clubs, as you know.
Yeah, you
as the
do?
mayor told
You
me,
go to
yeah.
play
We go
bowl
to Newport
in-
Beach against the local club or Santa Barbara or Hermosa Beach, and they treat us for lunch. Even the losers get lunch.
lawn bowling. Not as easy as it looks, and not as boring as one might think. The team that say they're more like a family meet here 3 times a week to play, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. There's always coffee and cake, there's always friendship, and there's always plenty of fun. This is Gunilla Larsson reporting for UCLA Extension.